Imagine earning a $1,000 per month by simply connecting businesses to the clients they are already looking for. You don't need to be a sales expert. You just need to own the system that finds them. Use the AI to find high-ticket businesses. Offer them a 7-day lead sprint. Let the automation do the work while you collect the retainer. Now before I show you how Outreach works, I want to show you how you actually get result with it and make money with this tool. I have created the Outreach Client Getting Blueprint. It's a complete system designed to help you turn this tool into a real income stream. I will show you the full bundle and bonuses overview at the end. But first, let's see the software in action. Now let me show you how this works step by step in the software dashboard. Here on the screen, you can see all your email activity in one place. You can track your leads, see who has unsubscribed, and view all the messages you have sent or received from prospects. Next, it shows that you can manage many different campaigns at the same time. Whether you have different products or run an agency for various clients, you can create a dedicated campaign for each one. When you click into a specific campaign, you can see its individual performance and data. Inside the campaign setting, you can add your business name, profile, and product detail. The AI uses this information to write your emails for you. You can also set a daily limit on how many emails to send and choose the right time zone for your target country. Then you connect your email accounts. It supports Gmail, G Suite, and other professional email providers. You can even set a specific limit for each email ID to keep your account safe and ensure your messages land in the inbox. Now let's look at the mail sequence, which are the heart of your campaign. You can decide exactly when the first email goes out after a lead is added. You can write the emails yourself or simply click a button to let the AI write them for you. The tool even includes a language checker to fix grammar and spam checker to remove words that might get your email blocked. Another great feature is the response and reply section. Here you teach the AI about your businesses by adding common questions and answer. When a customer asks something, the AI uses this info to send a reply automatically or write one for your approval. Finally, you can control your sending schedule and set up notification. The system can email you immediately whenever a customer responds, shows interest, or requests an appointment. This is the final result you get, a fully automated system that finds leads and talks to them for you. Once you set up your campaign once, the AI handles the sending and reply on autopilot. That's it. These demos show how Outreach manages everything from tracking leads to writing and sending AI-powered emails. This looks very useful for business owners or agencies who want to grow their outreach without doing all the manual work. If you want to see full demo, the link in the description below with full details and my custom bonuses. This is about building a long-term client machine. Use the link below to grab Outreach plus my all bonuses and start your own outreach agency today.